Need to pause or end your AT&T service? First, understand the difference between suspending and canceling. Suspension is a temporary pause up to 90 days, ideal for travel or short-term needs. You keep your number, and reactivation is straightforward. No early termination fee applies. Cancellation is permanent. You lose the number unless you transfer it to another provider. For postpaid plans, an early termination fee may apply if you're not at the end of your contract. Choose suspension for temporary breaks and cancellation when you're sure you want to end the service. Canceling might involve fees, particularly for postpaid plans. Early termination fees, or ETFs, are capped at $350 and are prorated based on remaining contract months. Prepaid plans usually have no ETFs. To transfer your number, request it during cancellation. You'll need your AT&T account number and PIN. AT&T must release the number within 2 business days. The cancellation process can be done via phone at 1-800-331-0500, the online portal, or the AT&T app. Make sure to settle any outstanding balances to avoid issues.